So guys, it's really simple. Go to project window, right click, new, black video, then press on OK. Now bring the black video to the timeline. Select the black video, go to effect or click on this arrow, then select effect from here, then search for ramp. Left click, drag and drop over the clip. Now go to top left effect control or click on this arrow and select the effect control from here. Go down. So we already have black and white gradient. Let's change the start color. Then the end color. And we have two mode here, linear and radial. Let's change to radial. Now if we click on ramp, we can move the center gradient around to place it properly. Let's change back to linear. As you can see, it's really that simple. Also for the second color. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.